I'm recording here. Alright, everyone. I just narrowly escaped death earlier. I met a bunch of mobs. My two dogs saved. I brought two dogs with me. I forgot where I put them, but two of them saved me. They killed all the mobs. But well, until the creepers came, the creeper nearly killed me. But my dogs were perfectly fine. They barely took any damage. That's the reason I had dogs. My first dog died after 4 creeper blasts, and I decided that they're hard to kill. That's why I got dogs. they're just too hard to kill, man. It took 4 creeper blasts just for one of them to die. But here I'm building a farm. I know, little bro. I know I don't have sunlight. I'm using torches I'm using torches instead. This farm is poorly built, but they'll have to do for now. Why can't I place the seeds down? That's weird. Alright, that's just that. I'm going up there. I'm gonna see if it works on the surface. So it works on a surface. I think I need light. I think that's the reason why it's not working. So just grab some of this coal. Like 3. That probably won't be enough, but who cares? The reason I don't know why I sealed off this room, but if I recall correctly, I sealed it. I don't exactly remember why I sealed this room with Cabo, but I think it was because I saw an Enderman in there. I saw an Enderman inside, and I just ran for my life and sealed the place up forever. I guess you can make fun of me for that. Excellent. I made my farm underground because I don't want any random person coming by and seeing. And like if I build my farm on the surface, any person can see it. Although I guess I should move these dogs too. And if banner is not it's not, you know, forget it. Be quite low, bro. What was I gonna do again? Alright, kill myself so I can heal because I do not have food currently. I need to work on food sources. The reason I made the farm is because I currently do not have a reliable food source, and I have to resort to killing myself to heal. Look, each person has 5 lives, but luckily they can only be taken if a player does the job and says they want to take it. They want to take the life, so like, unless it's a player that's involved in my death, I'm perfectly fine. No, alright. I was mining diamonds earlier. I have a lot of iron actually. I can get another set of iron if I want to, but I'm too lazy to. What were you saying again, little bro? Oh, there's more now. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, how are there so many? I saw one in full chainmail armor. I'm screwed. I know, I'm gonna have to get a few dogs. Dogs in there.
A dog.
That's not one of mine, that's a wild one. There's more? Your job. Doggy. I beg you. Take him out. Don't hit him at me! This one. Oh! My dogs almost just got me killed. Dogs are hard to kill, but I'm not hard to kill. Enderman, not good, not good. Where's my water?
Then you place it down. Then you place it down.
Oh yeah, I'm a fool. I can't even remember what I did with my own items.
Ethan, how do you get seeds?
Doggy, why don't you go down and kill a skeleton? It'll be beneficial for you. Dogs like bones. I like how the skeleton just takes out his bow and tries to. Oh, don't worry. That was the worst fun. I like how the skeleton took out his bow and tried to threaten me while the dogs murdered him in cold blood. Like literally, the hole is right next to my house. Or cave. I can't actually. If this is connected to my cave system, I'll go crazy. Yo, I think I've been here. I think I've been here before. Yo, this looks really familiar, man. No way, this is the first mine shaft I went to. This is where I died the first time. No. This is the place where I died the first time. Back to where it all began. Oh, this is my cave system. Or wait, is it? That grass block certainly looks familiar, but I guess grass blocks can't appear anywhere. There can't be diamonds this high, little bro. Not up here. We're near the surface level. There's no way. No, I'll go back. I'll be back later. A long time ago, I found an enchantment book in the same mine shaft that I was in just now. The enchantment was max level. I forgot which enchantment it was, but if I recall, I lost it when I died. It's just cave fires and lava. I wonder why they even made babies. Retreat! Ah! None of them died. They all survived.
How come the sit ones teleport?
They're all alive. None of them died.
You need lights or monster.
That's why he kept the dogs. They're unkillable. They're immortal. They're practically immortal. Look how many creeper shots they just took. There's so many creepers and yet they survived. All of them were alive. I died, but they didn't. Sit down, doggy. I don't need you running. The creeper apparently made them mad. Dogs don't attack creepers for some reason.
That's what they do.
They'll get blown up.
There's a lot of them.
No. More of them will just die at a time. Keep away from my farm, doggies. No. No, you don't. No, you don't. Sit down, doggo. No, where was I? Oh, yeah. I was just talking about immortal dogs. I'll use half of these bone meals for... I'll use half of these bones for bone meal and the other half for taming dogs.
I don't know.
Oh my... Doggo, it's your job to save me.
Wait.
Such a failure. I'm talking about myself and the dog. The dog knocked the zombie into me. I didn't notice the zombie coming into me until it was too late. So technically we're both failures. But okay. If I accidentally pick up that lava bucket and dump lava on myself, I'll be so mad.
Isn't there water there so you can move in there?
You have a point, but how would I remove the lava? Blocks? Perhaps? Sit down, doggo. I'll use these rotten flesh later to heal some dogs and breed some more.
So most of the
Why is there... I hear a spider above me. That does not sound good.
the spider doesn't attack you.
Finally! I've been trying to tame that one dog for so long. To get it out of that hole, but I've never been able to do it. Awesome.
A new one.
Back when I first started the dog army, it was the majority of my army was babies. I've already caught my first dog army had 6 babies and 4 adults, 2 of which died early on. Where's the baby? Come here.
I like the baby.
The baby ones have big heads. The baby ones have big heads for some reason.
But they're cuter. Can you tame dogs that are tamed before? Can you breed them that are bred before?
I don't understand what you're saying. Your English sucks, though, bro.
Can
But then again, you're only...
can
How old are you? 9 years old?
No. 5 years old.
No, you aren't. You most definitely aren't. There's no way you're 5 years old, man. You're in 3rd grade!
No.
Everyone says you like your child even though you're in 3rd grade. Already? Oh! Oh my god. Why did I do that? That was the last of my rotten flesh.
Baby virgin.
You sit right there, little one, until you grow up. I'm not letting you leave.
Can you move?
Alright, I'm done here. Oh wait. I forgot one thing actually. I got a lot of diamonds and iron. I don't know why I haven't used any. I stole this from someone, and I also stole this from someone, and like half of my gold, and just about all my sugarcane and this map. Wait, no, I crafted the map, but I made it from sugarcane that I robbed from someone else. Alright, I'm done here.